Hello everyone, this is our 27 Java tutorial in these tutorials, and today I'm gonna tell some important things about Java and the other old programming languages, and we will talk about arrays, and we will do some easy and basic example about arrays. And let's see now. I open my compiler, and in here what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do integer new integer. Why I'm gonna write in here my array name is, for example, Hami, and I wrote down in here integer Hami and new integer, and I should write in here in incompatible types and require integer and fun integer, and in here I should write down in here an account or a number, for example 10 I said, and I wrote it. And now, for example, Hami 9 equal to 9, for example. It doesn't matter for now. And Hami, I just copied it, and I'm sorry, I don't like copy, but it's really faster and faster. And Hami 5 and 1, and Hami 9, for example 9, Hami 8, for example 11, and Hami 4, and Hami 4 is equal to 19. And so what I'm gonna do again, system out print ln, system out print ln, I'm sorry, and Hami, for example 5, I wrote it, and in here I'm gonna try it, and I tried, and you can see, as you can see, it's my result, and it's my Hami 5. It's an array, as you can see, and as you know, it's my array, and my result is here in here. Now I'm gonna change it, and I can write in here like that. For example, I'm gonna try. I didn't assign it a value. I didn't assign a value for that, and my result is same. But now I'm gonna change it again, and for example I write it, and 91 plus 11, and it's my result in here. I didn't assign, and my result didn't change, but I assign it, my result will change. Guys, you see, and I'm gonna write some different things, and Hami is equal to, for example, what should I write in 1, 2, 3, 4, and like that, or I'm gonna write, for example, I'm gonna write like that, and actually this should be, and you can write like this actually, but now I didn't understand what it does. And thank you guys for watching me, and see you my next tutorial. And Berkay27 my name is, and my email address in here, berkaykk@msn.com. and thank you guys for watching me. We will do some easy and basic examples again, and have a nice day. See you. Hello everyone, it's Berkay. This is our 26th Java tutorial in this tutorial, and today I'm gonna talk about so important things in Java and all algorithm and programming language. And now now we will talk about some random numbers and information about random, and we will produce a random number in this compiler. And now, as you can see in here, import Java util random, and we write it down here, import Java util blah blah blah, and some different things. And my class is again same, Istanbul Aydın University or Istanbul Java, whatever, and public static void main string args. And in here is it my main function, and I'm gonna write down in here always main function, because I'm gonna produce a random number and I have to use main function. Sure, you can use some functions about random, and we will see that in the next tutorial. And let us see a basic and so easy example. Now I'm gonna write random self-confidence. We are European and we have it, and random self-confidence and new random. I assign my random function, and after that what I have to do, and I'm gonna write, for example, integer ibo. Integer ibo I write down, and I have to use, in for example, I'm gonna write in here count is equal to 0, and I have to assign, and after that count till 10 and count plus, and my parentheses in here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna assign ibo equal to self-confidence, I'm sorry, next integer, for example, it's gonna be 10, and everything is clear now. And what I'm gonna do after that, and I'm gonna I'm gonna print it, and system out prints ln, just write, and in here what I'm gonna write in here, I assign in here integer ibo, and after that I use a for loops, and in the for loops I write down Ibo self-confidence next integer. It's coming from my random functions, you know. And after that I'm gonna write in here Ibo class these are, and you can see, and you will see in here, these are all random numbers, 0, 2, 4, 9, 2, 2, blah 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 blah. And as you can see, these are really basic things, and this is really so easy example. And now what I'm gonna do, for example, I hope you will understand clearly now, and just trust me and follow me, you will be okay. And now I write it, and Ibo 1 plus self-confidence blah blah blah, and I'm gonna try again. I'm sorry, I'm gonna clear here and I'm gonna try again. You know, you can see, and these are all random. I'm gonna write in here like that. You know, all these are changed, but just look at here. This is right 10. How can it be 10 or 9, 8, 7? And in here I wrote it 1 plus random number. Always there is a addition in this program. Thank you guys for watching me. You know, my name is Berkay27, and my email address is berkaykk.msn.com. I'm sorry. And Berkay27, if you want to ask a question for me, I know you hope some things and you will understand clearly, and because of that you can send me email. And have a nice day, guys.